I don't know what bad Karam Ronaldo did to get such type of teammates. See, he's no different. This is what Jao said. We know what Cristiano has done for us, for Portugal, and for football. But at this moment, we know that he is just another player here to help. He's no different. Seriously, he's no different. Opponent literally shit in their pants just by seeing him. His presence, his presence is powerful. His performance is powerful. And you're saying like he's just a common player. Come on. This is what Tony Cruz had to say. If Jao Navas truly said there is no difference between himself and Cristiano Ronaldo, then he owes Ronaldo, the football world, and even himself an explanation. Cristiano Ronaldo has spent more than 2 decades proving himself against the best teams, the best defenders, and the best players in every competition imaginable. He has won leagues titles in multiple countries, champion leagues, international trophies, Ballon d'Ors, and scored goals at a level football has rarely seen before. Jao Navas is a talented young player, but talent alone does not put you in the same conversation as Cristiano Ronaldo. One good season, one good performance, or a promising future does not erase 20 years of excellence and sacrifice. You don't become Cristiano Ronaldo by talking, you become Cristiano Ronaldo by proving it every single season for 20 years. Until then, there is a difference, and a very big one. And you know what? This guy is really lucky to have amazing teammates and teammates that protect him and know the value of what Messi did. And same, Portugal should understand, their teammates should understand what Ronaldo did to the football world. And if Ronaldo had great teammates like Messi, like Portugal, it would be so amazing. I wish Ronaldo had good teammates like Argentina teammates who protect him, who can kill for him. So if you agree on like Navas did wrong, so share your thoughts and like, share and follow for more. Let's go.